Hi, this is Galaxy S24 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first we should hold the application and drag this app to another one, and by this way we could see that we just created successfully the new folder. Also we get one more way how we could do that. Just hold the application and select after that a couple of apps which you want to add to your folder and click on the right upper corner to create folder icon, and we could see that now we get here two different and new folders in our home screen. If you want to give a name or rename the folder, just tap once on the name and enter the new one and tap to done. To move folder here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold and drag it. To change the color of the folder, just select one from the colors if you want to use them, and that's it. If you want to move folder on the home screen or between the screens, or to create the new screens, you should just hold the folder and drag it. And also if you want to remove the application from here, you could hold application, tap to remove icon. If you want to remove this application from the folder and from the home screen, you could hold the application and drag it to your home screen. Also you could select a couple of apps and remove them from here, or just if you want you could create the, for example, if you got here more applications, you could just select them and create the new folder. So, and also one more way how we could remove the applications from here, hold the app the folder and just tap to remove icon to remove all of the applications. And also you could rename it by the same way, just by hold, tap to edit icon and enter the new one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.